Hi friends, in this episode I am taking you to Jayamangali Blackbuck Reserve. It's about 100 kilometers from Bangalore. We started early in the morning, say around 4 o'clock, and we reached around 5:30. We were at the gate. Blackbuck Conservation Reserve in Tumkur District in Karnataka. It's a notified protected area of say 3.2 square kilometers. I think it rained the previous day. Plenty of rose-winged parakeets welcomed us. The area is a part of the plains of Deccan Plateau and borders of Anantapur district, Andhra Pradesh. Besides the blackbucks, the biodiversity of the park was so rich. Blackbuck is one of the 5 antelopes found in India. But out of these 5 antelopes, I feel that blackbuck is one of the most beautiful animal. The blackbuck is normally seen in a herd of 20 to 30, but if you go to Punjab or Rajasthan, you will find that blackbucks can be seen in hundreds. Perhaps this is the reason why our famous film actors were hunting it. With a pleasant area and open land, Jayamangali gives a wonderful setting for the blackbuck to survive. Having seen some blackbucks, we started searching for more and more. Not to shoot with a gun, but to shoot with our camera. And it has got a lot of eucalyptus and acacia species of trees. Karthik never hesitates to walk, click, or drive even. Jungle Piranha was making a continuous, relentless call, perhaps to its mate. A lot of blackbucks are there, in fact, but since we have started early in the morning, we were able to see around 25 to 30 blackbucks. But later on, many tourists came, they were not able to sight or spot even a single blackbuck. Of course, blackbucks are very active in the early morning or in the evening. We have to have the patience to see all of them. One more thing I would like to share. It's not blackbuck alone which we have to look for. It's very rich in biodiversity. We have to look for every living organisms there. It's really lovely to see birds, bees, butterflies, and also flowers. So let us enjoy nature in totality. It's not that blackbucks alone matters. For us, environmentalists, naturalists, everything matters. Thank you very much for your patient listening. I hope that we will be able to meet you in another episode with some other natural place. Thank you so much. Please be in touch with us and please subscribe our channel. Thank you.